Hello everybody, welcome to my new video. This is what I'm doing lately. I'm doing this for pillowcase, to wear it, to actually put on my pillowcase when it's getting colder so that I can feel warmer when I sleep. And this is the pattern that I've chosen. And let me knit a little bit for you, because I know you like when I knit something in front of you. So if you like me watching how I knit, please welcome to watch this video. I will be doing a little bit longer this video for those that want to watch longer videos with me, so please feel welcome. I'll try and when I finish this project, I'll try to show you in the new video. If you are interested, please write in the comments if you want to see it. If you want to see as a finished project, this as a pillowcase. For everyone. I absolutely love these music tracks. Are just so nice, and the transition is just perfect to the year. So this is what I'm doing. I really like this pattern. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Very simple yet beautiful. I think for pillowcase would look just so lovely, so nice. Okay, Ivan, thank you very much